Decoding the green dot in Facebook Messenger.
Hello, fellow digital navigators. Today, we'll be exploring an interesting feature in Facebook Messenger, the green dot next to the video icon. What does it mean? Why is it there? We'll address these questions and more in this video.
What is the green dot?
The green dot is a simple yet powerful feature on Facebook Messenger. When you see this icon next to the video icon in your chat, it signals something about your contact's availability.
What does the green dot mean?
When the green dot appears next to the video icon on Facebook Messenger, it means that the user is currently active or online. It's a visual indication that the person you want to message or call is available at that moment. However, note that it doesn't guarantee that the person will respond immediately, as they may be busy with other tasks.
What if there's no green dot?
If there's no green dot next to the video icon, this typically means the user is currently inactive or offline. However, they can still receive your messages and will likely check them when they next go online.
Can I change my green dot status?
Yes, you can change your status if you wish to appear offline. To do this, go to your profile in Messenger, click on Active Status, and then toggle off Show when you're active. Remember, if you turn off your active status, you won't be able to see others' active status either. That's all about the green dot next to the video icon in Facebook Messenger. It's a handy tool to gauge whether your friends or contacts are available at a given moment. However, always respect the other person's time and understand that being online does not necessarily mean they're free to chat. We hope this video was helpful, and stay tuned for more tips on navigating your digital world. Happy messaging!